Welcome! I'm going to show you how to get started using RootsMagic with FamilySearch Family Tree. Now, if you haven't used RootsMagic in the past, the first thing you'll want to do is to create a new RootsMagic file. When you start up RootsMagic for the first time, you'll see this welcome screen, and create a new file is the first option. Now, if you don't happen to see the welcome screen, you can create a new file either from the main menu under File, New, or this little blank piece of paper that's on the toolbar. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create a New File, and then this window pops up asking me to give the options for this new file. I'm going to give it a file name, just call it Booth, and then I'll want to pay close attention to this checkbox right here that says Family Search Support. Okay, you want to have that checked, and then if you happen to be LDS, there's this checkbox for the LDS support. But that's optional with the Family Search Support. Then it'll ask you what do you want to do after you create the new file. I can either start from scratch and begin typing in my own information, or I can import information from another program. So I'm going to choose Import Information from Another Program and click OK. Then it asks me which program I'm going to import from, and I'm going to choose PAF. I can also choose from RootsMagic, Family Origins, Family Tree Maker, up through version 2006, Legacy Family Tree. And if I don't use any of those programs, I can use a GEDCOM file. So in my other program, I can export a GEDCOM file and then import that into RootsMagic to bring all of my data over. But I'm just going to choose the direct PAF option without having to use a GEDCOM. And I'll just click I know where the file is. And here's my PAF file. And it imports that and brings in all of the people, the notes, families, pictures, sources, and everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right here and click Set as Root Person. Now, I can tell that I have the Family Search Support enabled because next to each name, you'll see this little Family Search tree. Okay. If you don't see that tree, it means you do not have the Family Search Support turned on. Well, to turn it on, you can do so right on the main menu under Tools, File Options, and you'll see a section under File Options called Family Search. And you just want to make sure that that's checked right there to enable the Family Search Support. And once you do that, you'll see the little trees next to each name. Okay. And also, if you've gone through these steps, you'll see that there will be a new button added to your toolbar, which is the Family Search button. So for the Family Search Central, which we'll look at in another video.